Hello everyone, welcome to Math 115. So I'll be your instructor for the course. My name's Professor McLaughlin. So I'm on Canvas here for our course, and on the left side you'll see Home, Modules, Discussions, Assignments, and Grades. So click on Home. Okay, then scroll down and you'll see links to important class information. And you'll see the first link here is Syllabus. So let's go over to Syllabus. So click on the Syllabus link. Okay, let me move this over here. Okay, so let's go over to Syllabus. So this class will meet on Tuesday, Thursdays from 10:30 to 12:35 p.m. Okay, here's my email. And for office hours, I'll be available on Zoom a half an hour before each of our scheduled class meeting times. So I'll be available at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, Thursdays. And you can just click on this link and it will work at those times. You can also send me an email anytime and I will respond within a few hours. So all the stuff you'll need for this course is available on Canvas for free, so there's no need to buy anything. So, okay, course modality. This is a HyFlex class, which means that I'll be teaching a group of students face-to-face and a group of students online at the same time. And in order to participate in the class, you're going to need to have a device with a camera that can connect to the internet. So our class is going to meet live on Canvas during our scheduled class meeting time, so Tuesday, Thursday, 10:30 to 12:35. And the face-to-face students will be required to bring a pair of headphones and a device with a camera that can connect to the internet to each class. The class will also have lecture periods, which will be available on Canvas 24 hours before the start of our scheduled class meetings, and will end at the end of our scheduled class meeting time. So for example, our first lecture period will start on Monday, August 16th at 10:30 a.m. and will end at 12:35 p.m. on Tuesday. So during the lecture period, you'll have about 24 hours to work on questions that I'll post in a discussion, and you can earn extra credit points by posting correct answers for the questions within a time frame. So each day of class will consist of either a lecture period or a quiz period. So I'm going to be sending the class numerous emails each week. So starting a few days before the first day of class, you should start checking your emails on a regular basis. Okay, so here's a link, here's a video on what you need to do at the beginning of each lecture period. Here's a video on how you can participate in the lecture periods. So during the lecture period, I'm going to be checking the discussion about 3 times before our scheduled class meeting time, and we'll look at your work and any questions that you post. So again, I'll be available 30 minutes before the start of our scheduled class meeting, and I'll also be available for the last 40 minutes before the end. So again, this link will work during those times. Our first lecture period is going to have 3 questions for you to work on. Okay, and to make the class fair for both sets of students, the face-to-face and online students, the only way you're going to be able to interact with me will be on Canvas or Zoom. Okay, course description, you can look at that. Okay, attendance. I'm going to be taking attendance each day of class, and it'll be taken on Canvas, the attendance. And here's, if you click on this link, it will take you to a video on how you can sign in on Canvas. So you need to make sure you sign in to each day of class. But if you miss 2 days of class, I may drop you. But don't assume I will drop you. So if you want to drop the class, make sure you drop yourself. Don't assume that I will drop you. Okay. So there's going to be quizzes in this class. It's going to be a total of 13 quizzes, and there's no makeup quizzes, but you can drop your lowest quiz score, and you're going to have 24 hours to complete each quiz, and it'll be a 1% penalty for every minute your quiz is late. So here's a video tutorial on how you can take your quiz. You can look at that. And before your quiz, before you take each quiz, you'll have to submit an agreement stating that you will not cheat. And here is a video on how you can submit that agreement. Okay, there's also going to be assignments in this class, which are like homework, I guess, or like little mini projects. And there'll be 13 assignments throughout the semester. You can have a few days to complete each assignment. So here's a video tutorial on how you can access the assignments. You can drop your lowest assignment score, and there'll be a 10% penalty for every day your assignment is late. So the way you'll earn your grade in this class will be from the quizzes, which will be 50% of the grade, and assignments, which will also be 50% of the grade. Grading policy is just standard. Tutoring services, so if you need help, first come to my office hours, but if you need additional help, you can go to Learning Center and get help off the tutors. You can click on this link here and it'll take you to the Learning Center. Okay, study tips, you can look at those. So if you need an accommodation to participate in this class, email me as soon as possible and we can work something out. Alright, student resources, you can look at that. Important dates, you can look at that. So here's our class schedule. So on our first 2 days of class, we'll be going over Module 1, and on the third day of class, we'll have Quiz 1 and Assignment 1 will be due. So pretty much every week, just about, there'll be an assignment and a quiz due. Okay, so that's the main things. You can look at the schedule. Okay, let me just go back to the home page again here on Canvas. So I'm going to go up here, just over here. So clicking on home. So before the first day of class, you should come here and click on each of these important class information links. So look at the syllabus, click on how to access the course material, click on important information about the lecture periods, and click on class content. So make sure you click on each of those and look at each of these links before the first day of class. Okay, so that's the main things. So I'll see you guys in class then.